Okay, so I ordered the large box of Ecoblaze to use on my outdoor fire instead of using typical fuel firelighters. Quite a large box. Absolutely loads of them. Apparently there's 200 in here. I'm not going to sit and count them all. Some are a little more compressed together than others. But I imagine that'll make quite a nice mix in the outdoor fire. They feel a little waxy. There's a sort of wax texture to them. Yet to burn them, but I will pop another video up once I put them in the fire outside.
Totally silent.
Was to